Hello everyone, welcome to the Secrets of Calculus. We finally have a flowchart for solving limits and some methods of what I call big braining. But by blindly following the flowchart, we've walked into a trap. We need to expand our perception skills. Oh, hang on, is this video too long for you? Here's the formulas. Let me know what you did with that extra free time. So I ended the last episode with showing off one of the monkey wrenches that caused us to fall into this trap. The limit as x approaches infinity of 1 plus 2 over x all to the x. By following the flowchart, we have nothing for the sledgehammer to do, so we set the 2 over x fraction to 0. After all, anything divided by infinity is 0. What we have left is 1 to the infinity, and 1 to any power is 1, so the answer is 1, right? Right? Wrong. If we go brute force, we get an answer of e squared, where e is Euler's constant, or Euler's constant, or the natural number between 2 and 3. So, which one is correct? The answer of 1 is actually incorrect, because we got overconfident in the flowchart. Our mistake is setting the fraction 2 over x to 0, because that's only possible if we sneak the limit through the stuff to the x part. But we can't do this, because x is the variable. That sneaking through only works with something like sine of x squared, where we can sneak the limit through the sine function. So actually, this flowchart can't solve functions like this. I'll show you how to solve this for yourself in the next section, but for now, you're going to have to trust me and add this in at the beginning of the flowchart. The limit as x approaches infinity or negative infinity of 1 plus c over x, all that to the x, equals e to the c for any constant c. Awesome! We've escaped the trap. But now, we're being surrounded by bandits, the indeterminate forms. These are 0 divided by 0, infinity divided by infinity, infinity to the 0, 0 to the infinity, 1 to the infinity, 0 times infinity. You get these if you follow step 1 of the flowchart to the letter and use the a over infinity equals 0 and a over 0 equals infinity for any number a, as well as other rules. The next section will be revealing how to solve the situations surrounding the 0 divided by 0 and infinity divided by infinity cases. And you can use algebra to convert to one of these forms. Here's how we can do that with 1 plus 2 over x, all that to the x. We can sneak the limit through the e to the stuff, but now we turned a 1 to the infinity into a 0 times infinity. So we can take a double reciprocal and get it to a form resembling e to the 0 divided by 0. Again, how we're going to find the limit will come later, but it's useful to practice doing this. So, we just defeated those indeterminate bandits, but the 0 divided by 0 and infinity divided by infinity bandits escaped. We've now reached the tree that marks the end of this section on limits. Our brains are now big enough to climb it and fill out the rest of this treasure map. We're at the top of the tree of knowledge. Looking back, we left the function party behind. Up ahead, the next major stop is a Transformers show. From there, we'll go to the curvy and futuristic-looking Palace of the Snake Queen. From there, we're going to be traversing a swamp to the Pac-Man arcade. Ooh, here's a startling realization. This area right here that looks like an intersection, it's actually an overpass. We have to go all the way around the loop before we can go through the fields of arrows. It's a long stretch, so I'm going to need to split that up. And then we get to the treasure at the end. Congrats everyone! Achievement unlocked! You have finished a section on limits. And we just got some equipment as a reward. A car engine. Please join me in the next section on derivatives. See you next time!